Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today we are digging into Lippie Box. I don't remember how much this costs. It'll be on the screen. There is a giveaway going on right now. If you guys can get me to 3K, there will be 3 winners, 3 big boxes of makeup and skincare and hair care and all that fun stuff. There's other information linked down below if you are interested. Let's get into Lippie Box. So this is a reasonably priced box, even though I don't remember what it costs. I want to say it's like $17. I don't think that the stuff in the box is actually worth $17. Like, I don't think that you get your money's worth in these boxes. But for me, it's worth it because I like the products that come in the box. So the way I see it is, okay, maybe I'm paying a little bit of an inflated price for these items, but I like the items, so I'm okay with that. So I open it up and this is what I see. And almost positive this is June's box. This is still June, right? Okay. Ooh. Okay. Well, these are new products that I haven't seen in this box before. So maybe this one, maybe I'll eat my words. I mean, it doesn't give you the prices, so unless I look these up online, which you know I am horrible at, but I will. It looks like there are 3 items in the box this month, which usually there's more, but that's okay because these are probably more expensive. The first thing I'm pulling out is Hikari, and it is a lip liner, and it is in that color right there. I'm not going to open it. I will keep this. I'm not really a lip liner collector, but I do keep basics, pink, red, and nude. And my pink is actually almost gone, so I will keep that one. The next thing I am pulling out, this is really pretty. This is by Illuminati, and it's a Liquid Luxe lip gloss, and I am always down for a good lip gloss. That packaging is super cute. I do like that. I think it's really, really cute. I think it looks expensive. It doesn't feel expensive, but it does look expensive. And, you know, that's always a plus. And then the last thing I am pulling out, we hope you love our new lower price and our special curated boxes just for you. Did they change the price of the box? Did they make it lower? Now I'm just confused. Okay. So this was supposed to be something from Appeal Cosmetics, and it was supposed to be a Liquid Luxe lip gloss. I'm so confused right now. Okay. So this is not, I'm so confused right now. Okay, so I'm almost positive the brand name is Illuminati, not Appeal Cosmetics, although it says a Liquid Luxe lip gloss, and this says a Liquid Luxe lip gloss. So I can only assume that this was just switched out. Okay, I'm confused, but that's okay. The last thing I'm pulling out is this, and it is My Magical Star. This lightweight, all-natural lip balm does double duty. Hydrates with a touch of shimmer and a delightful peachy flavor. Peach King. Okay, and I'm totally down for that. Happy with it. That was Lippie Box. I guess I'm gonna have to go and check to see if they charge me something different than they charged me last month. Because we hope you love our new lower prices and our special curated boxes just for you. So I don't know if that means that they lowered the prices and then also lowered the amount of items that were going in the box. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I hope it took you out of your space for a little while today, and I hope you have a great day, great weekend, great week. I don't know, whenever this goes up. Have a great day. Bye.